So today I'm going to be showing you my bike and all the stuff I've upgraded about it. It's a very good bike overall. It's a 2020 Diamondback Wide. I've had it a little over a year now. Suspension, very good. Obviously, no back suspension because it's a hardtail. One thing you should upgrade is definitely get some tubeless tires. I got these Victoria Mazda's Enduro 27.5s front and rear. They're very grippy on the trail and very good overall. I also got these, the Fuker knockoff race face pedals. They're very grippy. They got the KP right there. And then they're pretty grippy overall. They're nothing really. They're about the same as the race face ones. They've lasted me pretty long. I mean, obviously you can tell I've crashed on these a good bit of times, but they've lasted me overall. But I also got these grips off of Amazon. They were like $5. I'm not really sure what they're called, but they're very, very grippy. I really recommend just going to Amazon, search grips under $5. They're very good. I used to have a mud guard here, but it just got very annoying when upgrading to these bigger tires because it would just rub against the knobs right here. So I took that off, but it worked very well with the stock tires. I also got this pump right here. Works very well. The Bell Air Blaster 350. It works very well. I got it off of Walmart for like $10. Pretty good. The only thing that sucks about it is that the controls are, whatever you would call them, is reversed. So instead of putting it on like this and then closing it, you put it on like this and then open it for it to be able to blow it up. That's the only thing that sucks about it. But it works really well. Use it all the time. But you do have to sacrifice getting a water bottle holder right here for it. But it stays on pretty good. Sometimes it'll come off, but that's if you're doing like huge jumps and stuff to flat. But it's a good bike overall. Shifts pretty nicely. I've had it shifts pretty nicely. And it's also got the Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. You can see hydraulic disc brakes. They lock up pretty well. Very, very good. Haven't had many problems with it. It's just, really haven't had any problems with it. Great geometry for wheeling, especially. Now, pause it. So that's my bike check. Now we'll just get some wheelie clips. Let's get right into it. Pause. You want to stay in about 4th to 5th gear. That's the best gears for wheeling. When I first got it, I started out in 3rd, but once you get better, just go from like 4th to 5th. But if you're wheeling uphill, definitely recommend 4th. Downhill, definitely recommend 5th. As you can see, on that wheelie right there, I was definitely not in the right gear. Let's try this again. Pause it. Pretty good wheelie. And I think that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next one.